Steady, steady, slow, slow, slow. Walk. Good boy. Good boy. Well done. That made another noise, so he's a bit wary now. Wouldn't have bothered him before. That's a good boy. Thank you.
Just to let you all know that I'm perfectly fine, thank you. It wasn't a bad fall. I had a little bruise the next day and a little bit stiff, but nothing like the fall I had when I had the slosh bottle in my hand. That was quite bad because I landed on the fence, but this one was fine. And it was just the rattling of the chicken wire on the gate, which they've recently put on, and that gate is not normally closed like that, and it just stuck, and I thought, well, I'll just push it with my leg, and that was a bit silly, wasn't it, because it rattled and I didn't think it was going to rattle, and oh dear. And thank you very much for everyone who sent their good wishes, and to let you know that I now carry my cell phone. Well, it's Renzi's cell phone actually, because his is smaller than mine, so it's just a little tiny phone. Sometimes, though, reception isn't so good, so whether it really would be any good to me, I don't know. But I take it with me, and I always tell Renz approximately where I'm going. Unfortunately, accidents happen, and even though I've got thousands of hours in the saddle, you just never know what's going to happen. It's the risk you take for your sport. And I do take the risk of riding an Arabian horse, which we all know is spooky, instead of perhaps a more sedate cob. A lot of grouse.
I haven't seen as many as this on here for many years. This is the new keeper. It's big business shooting. Tens of thousands of pounds for a day's shoot. Canter. Slow. And good boy. But you're not stopping. You sort of did, but then you didn't, did you? Good boy. So they say this bridge is not suitable, steady through. I just feel him jumping for horses, so we have to go through the river. But he's done this river many times. Mind this branch to get out. Good, steady, steady. Good boy. Oh, some more little red raspberries there. Not good enough to eat though, too little I think. Oh, look at that new gate there, look. Wow, they're very seriously into the birds this year. Yes. Steady. We'll just have a slow canter in case that flies out and spooks him. Come on. Well done, 'cause that was quite close. He's doing very well, isn't he? And walk. Good boy. Walk. Now walk. Good boy. Well done. I think one of the birds has got stuck. I can hear it squealing in that pig netting. Oh dear. Slow. And trot. Canter. Slower. And trot. Good boy. Well done. And walk. Walk. Good boy. No. Walk. Good boy. Yes. Good boy. He's very good with those pheasants. Because some of them are really close to him and making quite a row. Flapping the wings and squawking. So I was very pleased with that. He wouldn't have been like that when I first got him, if you remember. When he saw that pheasant in the field. Very shortly after he was gelded and met Apollo, was a pheasant flew up and it was, oh Lord. I've got to say that Farouk has never ever bucked with me on him He's done plenty of bucking in the field, of course, but not with me on him. He's never reared up with me on him. No, I'm just singing your praises. So he said, oh, I'll just trot on then. Well, no. So I think that's pretty good for such an agile horse. Big shiny leaf there. No, that didn't bother him. Okay then. And canter. Slower. And trot. Good boy. Slower the trot now. No. A little bit of a resistance there in the rain. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Yes. Doing well with the Daleks. Steady. Now, are they combining? Because that'll mean that we can go galloping in the fields if it's combined. Yes, I think so. Well, that's good, isn't it? Oh, no, spraying by the look of it. No. Looks like they're going to spray, but that's a shame, isn't it? Because that would have been a nice galloping area. They're coming shortly. Good boy. Slow. Slower. Slow. Through. Slower. Good boy. Slow. And good boy. Good boy. And walk. Walk. Good boy. Well done. Very nice. Good lad. Steady. That jumping about for?
Part 4, following very shortly, which is a flat-out gallop up Heart Attack Hill, but with a slight twist. TTFN.